loading is not that high at the moment. It was just cruising. The energized device. Slow start, the motor hasn't got much pulling torque. I put 5 batteries in there. Might give it a little push. Just gonna have a cup of coffee and I want to get a better light on this device. Here's just me doing the washing on our good old washing machine, but I don't wash normal stuff, I just wash batteries, some of these devices. So we're going to put these in the washing machine and then we're going to see what happens. Okay viewers, we start with 5 batteries and get some inertia in this drum going and see what happens. PowerPoint, and I this time for my washing machine I allow a lot of slack in my lead and I wire the vacuum cleaner lead into the washer under the suction. Got a few spare batteries for ammunition, motor hardwired, I need to give it a push to start, and we've got 5 devices inside the circle. Release electron shortly. 6 amps going through the motor because it's stalled. I need to give it a hand, wear safety gloves, just in case. Very slow inertia. Okay YouTube, safety glasses and keep a distance from the device. Torque mode. I'll be recording just in case. that's all.
That was anti-climax.
A bit boring, but carnage is not too bad. It's a bit broken. The motor's still humming, so we might as well do the full burnout, I guess. You see the first fluff of smoke. Not too sure. Motor's getting hot. Bit more smoke. Bloody stopped. Thermal fuse. Waste. Bit of aftermath carnage. That stainless steel of the drum is that thin, it just whips. It's almost like an aluminium cola can or something. Oh, that's the end. Thanks for watching. That motor didn't pop. Thermal fuse operated, unfortunately. Thanks for watching.